Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here today. For those of you who are new, my name is Graham, and on this channel we get right into the details of making money, saving money, and investing your money. We break down some of the biggest mysteries in the world of business and personal finance so that you can understand exactly how to build wealth for yourself. Today we're diving into a topic that so many of you have asked about: Amazon FBA. We're going to explore how you can start your very own business on one of the largest marketplaces in the entire world, all from the comfort of your own home. It's a huge opportunity, and we're going to make it simple. Our goal here is always to explore the fascinating world of money-making opportunities that are available to everyone. We look at everything from real estate and the stock market to side hustles that can earn you a few extra $1,000s a month. Amazon FBA is one of those business models that seems complicated from the outside. But once you understand the moving parts, it becomes a clear path to potential income. We're going to unravel those mysteries together, step by step. Think of this channel as your guide to decoding financial strategies and business models that can genuinely change your financial future. We're here to learn, grow, and get ahead financially together. Before we jump into the details of setting up your Amazon FBA empire, I have a quick favor to ask. If you get any value from this guide at all, it would be a massive help if you could smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps the channel reach more people who are looking to improve their financial situation. Also, make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss out on any future videos. We post frequently and you won't want to miss our next deep dive into another money-making strategy. Every single like and subscription makes a huge difference and allows me to keep creating this content for you. And one more thing before we start. Your input is incredibly valuable to me and to the entire community we're building here. If you have any questions as we go through this guide, or if you have a specific topic you want me to cover in a future video, please drop a comment down below. I read as many comments as I possibly can, and your suggestions often become the subject of my next investigation. Whether it's a specific type of investment, a business idea, or a savings hack you want to know more about, let me know. Your ideas help shape the direction of this channel, making it a resource built for you, by you. So what is this Amazon FBA thing we keep hearing about? FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and it's a service that lets you as a seller leverage Amazon's massive infrastructure instead of you personally having to store your products, pack them in boxes, print shipping labels, and run to the post office every single day. Amazon does all of that for you. You find a product to sell, you send a big shipment of that product to one of Amazon's giant warehouses, and that's pretty much it for the physical labor. It's a game changer because it takes the most time-consuming parts of running an e-commerce business completely off your plate, freeing you up to focus on the important stuff. Let's break it down even further. When a customer goes on Amazon.com and buys your product, the magic happens behind the scenes. Amazon systems get an alert, and their warehouse workers go find your item on the shelf. They pick it, pack it into one of those familiar Amazon boxes with the smile logo, and ship it directly to the customer. Not only that, but they also handle all of the customer service and returns for those orders. If a customer has a question about their shipment or wants to send an item back, they contact Amazon's support team, not you. This automation is what makes the FBA model so incredibly powerful and scalable for beginners and experienced sellers alike. The real beauty of FBA is that it allows your products to be eligible for Amazon Prime. You know, that free 2-day shipping that millions and millions of people pay for and absolutely love. Customers are far more likely to buy a product if it has that Prime badge next to it because they trust it will arrive quickly and reliably. By using FBA, your small business gets the same logistical advantage as the biggest brands in the world. You're essentially renting Amazon's billion-dollar logistics network for a fee, which gives your products a massive boost in visibility and desirability on the platform. It levels the playing field in a truly remarkable way. Of course, this service isn't free. Amazon charges fees for storing your products in their warehouses, storage fees, and for handling the picking, packing, and shipping fulfillment fees. These costs are important to factor into your pricing to make sure you're still making a healthy profit on every sale. But for many sellers, these fees are well worth the cost. The sheer volume of sales you can achieve by tapping into the Prime customer base often outweighs the fees significantly. The key is to find a product with a good profit margin, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about next. It's all about the numbers. Alright, let's get into the practical steps. The absolute most important part of starting on Amazon FBA is product research. You can't just sell anything and expect it to be a success. You need to find a product that has high demand but relatively low competition. This is where the real work begins. A great place to start your research is right on Amazon itself. Look at the best sellers lists in various categories. See what's trending. The goal is to find a product that you can source cheaply, improve upon in some small way, and sell for a profit. Maybe you can bundle two items together, or offer a better design or higher quality material. Once you have a few product ideas, you need to validate them. This is where specialized tools come in handy. Websites like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 are essential for serious sellers. These platforms provide you with invaluable data, like how many units a specific product sells per month, what the historical sales trends look like, and how many other sellers are competing for those sales. This data removes the guesswork from your decision-making. You can analyze the numbers to see if there's enough room in the market for you to enter and still make a good profit after all of Amazon's fees and your product costs are accounted for. Don't skip this step. Data is your best friend. After you've used tools like Jungle Scout to confidently select a winning product, the next step is to find a supplier. For most private label sellers, this means heading to a site like Alibaba.com. Alibaba is a massive online marketplace where you can connect directly with manufacturers, mostly from overseas, who can produce your product for you, often with your own branding and logo on it. You'll need to contact several suppliers, ask for quotes, and most importantly, order samples. Never, ever place a large bulk order without first getting a sample to verify the quality. You want to make sure the product you're selling is something you can be proud of. With a supplier chosen and a quality product in hand, it's time to create your Amazon seller account and your product listing. Go to sell.amazon.com to get started. Your product listing is your virtual storefront and it needs to be perfect. This means high-quality photos from multiple angles, a compelling title with relevant keywords, and bullet points that clearly explain the benefits of your product. You need to convince customers why they should choose your item over all the others. Once your listing is live and your products have been shipped to and received by an Amazon warehouse, you are officially in business. Now you can focus on marketing and managing your inventory. To really succeed with Amazon FBA, you need to treat it like a real business, not a get-rich-quick scheme. This means being organized, patient, and willing to learn. The landscape of Amazon is always changing, so staying informed is crucial. Beyond the research tools we've mentioned like Jungle Scout and Helium 10, you should also be looking at resources that help you manage the business side of things. For example, a tool like QuickBooks Self-Employed can be a lifesaver for tracking your income and expenses, which is incredibly important come tax time. Keeping your finances in order from day one will save you a massive headache later on. Another key to success is understanding the power of marketing within the Amazon ecosystem. Just having a great product isn't always enough. You have to get eyes on it. This is where Amazon PPC, or pay-per-click advertising, comes in. You can pay to have your product show up at the top of the search results when customers search for specific keywords. It's a powerful way to kickstart your initial sales and climb the organic search rankings. Start with a small daily budget, test different keywords, and analyze your data to see what's working. A well-managed ad campaign can be the difference between a product that stalls and one that becomes a bestseller. Remember that patience is a virtue in this business. You will likely not become a millionaire overnight. Your first product might not even be a massive success, and that's okay. Many successful sellers will tell you that their first or second product was more of a learning experience than a huge financial win. The important thing is to take what you've learned from that experience about product research, sourcing, marketing, and logistics, and apply it to your next product. Each attempt makes you smarter and more skilled. This is a marathon, not a sprint, and a long-term mindset is absolutely essential for building a sustainable business. So there you have it, a beginner's look into the world of Amazon FBA. We've covered what it is, how it works, the first steps you need to take, and the mindset required for success. It's a business model with incredible potential to generate a significant income stream. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this entire guide. I truly hope you found it helpful and that it demystified the process for you. Remember to hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe for more content just like this. Now go out there and start building your empire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.